Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor Neet Academy. Today I am going to solve 7 problems in solid state lesson. Now let us see the first question in the chapter. See the first one. The FCC crystal contains how many atoms in each unit cell? That's the question. So FCC means the atoms occupying in corner as well as face center. Okay, first you should know. Simple cubic means atoms are present only in corner. BCC means atoms are present in corner as well as center of the cube. In case of FCC crystal, the atoms are occupying in face center as well as corner. Okay, so if you know this, you can easily find out answer for this question. Understood? So here in face center, so atoms are present in what? Face center cubic atoms are present in corner as well as what? Center of the face, or center of the face. Are you following? Center of the face. Okay. So corner means each corner atom shared by 8 units cell. No. So we have 8 corners is present. So this is a calculation. 8 into 1 by 8 plus center of the face means each face center atom shared by 2 unit cell. Understood? Each face center atom shared by 2 unit cell. There are 6 faces is present. No. So each face center atom shared by 2 unit cells. So this is a calculation. So if we simplify, we can get answer. 1 plus that 3, we get what? 4. Simple one. So answer is what? 4 is the answer. Are you following? See the next one. A compound is formed by cation C and anion A. Anions forms hexagonal. See, anion means we can write. So first you write cation, anion. Understood? Anions form hexagonal close pack. SCP means what kind of voids are present means hexagonal, CCP. These are all having octahedral voids are present. You know that. Understood? Here we have octahedral voids. Understood? OV I put in cation. See the cation occupies 75% of octahedral voids. Here also octahedral voids. Understood? Octahedral voids is present. Okay. So that octahedral voids means what's the formula? That number of atoms, number of voids. That number of octahedral voids is that what is that? Number of octahedral voids is what we consider n. This also n. Okay. Okay. But in cation occupies 75% of octahedral voids. Okay. So 75% is what? We can write 3 by 4. Are you following? 3 by 4. Okay. 3 by 4 into n. Understood? Okay. Now n can cancel. We can write what? Simply 3 here. 4 if you cross multiplication we get 4 here. So what? So the formula will be what? C3A4. C3A4 means so D is the correct answer. Are you following? Understood? Simple one. Okay. So you must know octahedral voids means only n. Number of octahedral voids, tetrahedral voids means here we get what? 2n. Okay. Right. 75% means I put what? Only 3 by 4. So this is all you must know. Okay. Right. Next one. A metal crystallizes with a face-centered cubic lattices. The edge of the unit cell is 408 picometer. The diameter of the metal atom is what? They are asking. Okay. Okay. So we have each and every kinds of unit cell. We have formula for radius formula will be there. No. Okay. For in case of FCC, what's the radius formula? Radius is equal to what? A by 2 root 2. This is a formula for radius of atoms in FCC. Okay. So edge length is given. No. Edge length is what? A is called what? Edge length. So you can just substitute. We have what? So 408. Understood? By 2 root 2. Understood? So that here simply we can cancel. We will be getting what? We will be getting 204 by root 2. So root 2 means 204 by 1.414. Understood? Okay. So it will be simply you can write. Okay. If suppose 204 204 by 1.44 means it will be simply you'll be getting like this 144.2 or something. Okay. So this is radius only now. Okay, but they're asking what? Diameter. They're asking diameter means it will be twice, no? So 144 into 2 means approximately it will be nearer to what? 288 picometer. Are you following? Radius only usually they ask, but in this sum they asked what? Diameter. Okay. Okay. Twice the radius is called diameter. Okay. Right. Next one. The ionic radii of A plus B minus ions are given. Okay, ionic radius is given. They are asking to find out the coordination number, okay, of AB. Okay. So you know that what's the formula? Radius ratio formula is there, no? Radius ratio means radius of cation, no? Radius of cation by radius of anion. So you just divide like this. We get what? Radius of cation. So what? 0.98 into 10 power minus 10 by what? 1.81 into 10 power, so minus 10. So it will be cancel, no? So we will be getting what? 0.98 by 1.81. It will be approximately 0.5 something. No, okay. So it will be nearly 0.5. Okay, nearly it will be cancelled. No, so 0.5 something. Okay, right. But the question is what? What's the question? The coordination number of each ion in AB. Okay, so here it's called it's an octahedral. Okay, suppose here we have the debate based upon 0.12, 0.2, 0.22, 0.4. Okay, 0.42, 0.6 like this. No, 0.72, 1. So we have based on this ratio. We can predict what kind of the atoms is, what kind of the molecules are there, what kind of shape we can able to predict. Okay, so it is called it is octahedral. Okay, so simply you can say answer is what? So here we can predict the C is the correct one. Understood? Right. Okay, so we have values will be the radius ratio value will be there. From the radius ratio value only we can able to predict. Understood? Right. Next one, that this is also based on octahedroids, tetrahedroids based on some. Here, see that the structure of mixed oxide is cubic closed pack (CCP). The cubic unit cell of mixed oxide is composed of oxide ion. 1/4 of the tetrahedroids are occupied by divalent metal. So this is called A. I consider it as a and B. Okay, we consider two elements. Okay, 1/4 of the tetrahedroids, it's a tetrahedroids. Tetrahedroids means I put what? Simply TV. Okay, A is what? Tetrahedroids. Okay. Okay. 1/4. So 1/4 means this is tetrahedroids means what? What's the formula? 2n. No. So 1/4 means what? 1/4 into that. Understood? Are you following? 1/4 of tetrahedroids of divalent. Okay. Next one. Octahedroids are occupied by monovalent. Monovalent means here B is a monovalent, so this is called octahedroids. So simply write O octahedroids. So octahedroids means what? Only you put N. Okay, that's all. Then you cancel this one. We get what? 1/2. N get cancelled. So we get 1/2. Here we have only one in the 1 is there. So you cross multiplication. So if you cross multiplication means what? We will be getting A will be 1, B will be 2. Understood? Right. Are you following? Right. Then oxide. Formula of the oxide is given. No, oxide you put just O2 at last. Okay. So A1, B, okay, B2, A1, B2, O2. O2 you put at last. So answer is what? D is the correct one. Understood? Are you following? A1, B2, oxide, no, oxide also you should add. So AB2, O2. That's the answer for this. Are you following? Okay.